if you compare Filipino food to Korean,
So it's
a little
kinda,
bit closer or a little bit a little bit
very different.
very different,
Yeah.
yeah.
So it's like Korean food is like mixed with rice or with the soup.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, but in Philippines, it's like the food is very salty. That's why they mix like fried chicken with rice, and
Yeah.
they mix with what they eating. Yeah, I was like, that's how they eat.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Palm and and rice. Yeah, there's no side dishes.
Yeah, yeah, I understand.
That's also the shock, culture shock. Yeah, so I just like go to somewhere like SMC side,
Okay.
SMT, and like Oslo, like
Yeah, that's very nice.
you know,
Yeah.
Shark, yeah, and also here for Tops also, yeah, and there's more a lot.
Yeah. You want to discover more here in Cebu, right?
Yes.
Okay. My second question is, what's your first impression of Cebu and the Filipino people?
Jeepney,
Yeah,
the car, the Jeep car.
yeah,
They just like tuned a lot.
yeah,
They make it longer.
yeah.
Yeah, I was like really like shocked that time.
How about the traffic?
Traffic? Well, it's international.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
I
it's not
understand.
really shocked, but jeepney is really shocked.
Okay. Have you tried any Filipino food?
Chop suey.
Chap choy? So
Yeah.
you like?
Yeah, I like chop suey, and also what's the restaurant name? Sunburst the chicken.
The fried chicken.
Yeah, fried chicken.
Oh.
I like that.
You like also that
Yeah.
one?
And what's the pancit canton?
Pancit canton.
I like this.
So you like the taste?
Yeah, I like this taste.
Okay, and my next question is, would you recommend Cebu or the Philippines to your friends in Korea?
Yeah, sure.
And why?
Because like that's the logic.
Yeah, yeah. If you rate Philippines, 10 is the highest, what would it be?
Then it's the highest.
Yeah, 10 is the highest. If you rate Philippines, 10 is the highest, what will it be? It will be 9, 8, 10, 5.
I think it will be 9.5.
Oh, thank you so much,
Yeah,
no?
because I live. Okay, I'm like here for vacation. But
Okay.
Before I come here,
Okay.
I almost lived here.
Okay.
10, 15 years.
Oh, come
Yeah.
on,
So
so far.
it's kind of like half of my years lived here.
Okay.
So it's kind of like second day. No, second.
Second home, like a second home. Yeah.
Second home.
Okay, Dong. Thank you so much, Dong, for giving me a chance to be part of my YouTube channel. Good luck and enjoy your vacation here. Thank you so much.